way.
Hey, do you guys want to come vote with me?
Voting is for losers.
People think they can make a difference in the world by one vote? Seriously.
They're so
We
full of
can.
themselves. No, we can't.
Well, you should at least put in your opinion.
No, we shouldn't.
Yes, you should.
No, I
Come
shouldn't.
with me.
No, thanks.
You guys gonna vote?
No.
Oh,
Well, V-O-T-E, just take the time and V-O-T-E. V-O-T-E, go to the polls and V-O-T-E.
Maybe I will vote.
yeah, let's go vote.